So to create a Zano confidential asset, you'll need to download the client's wallet. You can find it on zano.org in the download section. If you haven't used the client wallet yet, we have another video where we show how to install it and use it. Then you can go on docs.zano.org. We have a bunch of documentation about Zano there. In this video, we'll need to go in the confidential asset section. So once you're there, you can copy and paste it on a new text file. That's basically where all the parameters of the asset will be. So you can change the ticker, you can change the full name, the total max supply. You can change the decimal point. For example, if you use 11, you'll have to remove 11 zeros from the total max supply and the current supply. So for example, later you'll see that the actual total max supply is 21 million. So there's 11 decimals after the 21 million. Then you can put the asset text file in the zip file that you downloaded from zano.org. You can hold shift down and right click to open the PowerShell window. Then you follow this command to create and deploy the asset. You'll need to enter the wallet's password. And we can now deploy the asset. There's a default transaction fee for it when you deploy it. You can see we've received the asset in our wallet GUI. So we've emitted 50,000 of our own asset, and by default, as you're the maintainer of the asset, you have your asset whitelisted. So if you want to send it to someone, you put the address in, you put the amount, you choose the asset. But if you want to send it to someone, you have to send the asset ID to that person so he can add it to his own wallet. You'll see we'll go in the receiver's wallet. We'll need the asset ID to add it to the receiver's wallet. So then we'll go to our own wallet. We'll copy the asset ID. You can even go in the PowerShell to copy the asset ID. So then you go back in your receiver's wallet. You add a custom token. You add your asset ID, add token. Now you can see we've received it. So we successfully sent 100 of our own confidential token. An important thing to remember is, as the maintainer of the asset, you have multiple commands that you can use, like the burning of your asset, emitting more asset. So for example, I'm gonna emit a bit more of the asset. I'm emitting 200,000 of the same asset I just created. So you can update the asset in the PowerShell commands. You can burn more. You can use multiple commands to your own asset. And every info about the confidential assets are on docs.zano.org, so always refer to that website if you want to create or learn more about the confidential assets.